What's happening, guys? It's R4UL TV vlogs back from sunny Morocco again, sunny Agadir. Right, look at that, look at the view. We wake up and we see the view, the mountains with where it says Allahu, and I'm going to read it actually. When I go there, I'll read it next time what it says. It says, maybe it says Allahu Akbar and something underneath. I will read it after. Anyway, we have woken up and yeah, we're just going for breakfast. And we thought we'll get breakfast to the bedroom today, so we'll have it here today on the balcony. Check it out. So this is our breakfast. It's for 4 people, by the way. Okay, Roxanne's not going to eat it by herself.
I wish I could.
He's here having his breakfast as well. He saw cereal, so he had to get cereal. Also, that's for Harris, for Hannah. So we're going to be outside. Kids are going to be inside they want to watch TV, right? So they're inside. We're outside. We're gonna have some breakfast. I'm hungry, right? You guys can watch me eat and get hungry as well, yeah? Well, let's go. Yes, now guys, this is our, you could say, nearly our last day in Morocco. Tomorrow is officially the last day, okay, but today is, you could say, the last day. Last night is going to be, right, for us in Morocco. So we're not really going to do much today. We're just going to go out to to the shops. We're going to go to the water park. They're dying to go to the water park, so we're going to go to a water park later. So we're going to do some shopping today.
Boring.
Shopping. I'm scared.
No.
I'm scared because my wallet's going to take a battery in.
My account is going to be crying.
My wallet's going to take a battery in. My bank account's going to take a battery in because we're going shopping today. Not good. Anyway, I better hold on to this and check Zaina out. Check Zaina out. Right, anyway, let's go. Now guys, so we are on our way to the water park. And look at this coastal road. Absolutely beautiful coastal road. Fantastic. Wow. I feel like I'm on Top Gear.
Later.
Okay guys, so we are at the water park now. Wow, check that out, it looks so nice. Okay, guys, so we are at the water park in Agadir. I don't know which one it's. The name is in the beginning when I put it in, right? Okay, Daniel Land or something like that. Right, so we are here. We're chilling. We're vibing. Our last day in Agadir. So yeah, I'll be sad to leave this place, but it is what it is. Just make the most of it. Let's enjoy it, and that's it. Onwards to Marrakesh. Alright, let's go. Yeah, ready, steady, go!
Wait, let her go first.
Wee! Wee! There you go. Look this way, what? Harry. See you later, guys. See you later. Okay, so we're on the Rubber Dinghy Rapids. Rubber Dinghy Rapids. You guys all right? Just relax, guys. Oh, Harris, be careful. Harris, Hannah, look this way. Yes, now guys, so we have finished the water park adventure slash whatever it is. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna have some churros now. Fish and chips will be next, but I saw a churro shop. Something biting me. I saw a churro stall there, so we're gonna have some churros. So yeah, let's get some. Let's get some.
Later.
Right, this is it. This is it. The final night in Morocco for us. We had a blast. I have to say we had a blast. About 4 or 5 days in Marrakesh, a few days here as well in Agadir. So yeah, it's been great. It's been great. But obviously I'm feeling a bit homesick now. All right.
Yeah, we all are.
We're feeling a little bit homesick. We're gonna go home now, right? Tomorrow, that is. Right, so this is our last night. So we've still got all day tomorrow. Our flight is in the evening, about 9 o'clock, something like that. So yeah, so we're gonna eat now. I'm feeling a lot better today, so I'm gonna eat I saved it till last, okay? I'm gonna eat the typical Moroccan tagine, okay? I'm gonna go for it. Let's go. Smile one more time for the last time. Hey. Right guys, so we are at Allegro Agadir. This is where Softy is supposed to be hiding somewhere. Right, so we're gonna surprise her. Well, actually it's not a surprise, but she does know. Yeah, but and she's yeah. Yeah, she doesn't know we're coming now. Right, okay, so yeah, like I mentioned, we're gonna try to surprise her. That you know, she knows that like I mentioned, she knows that we know that she's landed, and she knows that we know.
I'm gonna knock on the door and go room service.
Room service, we'll do that. Let's prank him. Room service. Right, okay, let's go.